In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI for data analysis. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your query, shape the output you need, and turn AI insights into clear, usable results. First, open the official Perplexity AI website and log into your account. A signed-in session helps Perplexity maintain context across your follow-up questions, which is crucial for deeper analysis. If you're working with sensitive information, consider anonymizing or summarizing it before you begin to protect privacy. Next, prepare your data. Decide what you want to analyze and gather it in one place. This can be text data like survey responses, numerical data such as metrics from a spreadsheet, or concise tables and summaries. Keep your dataset tidy and focused. Clean headers, consistent units, and brief context will help the model understand it faster and more accurately. Now, input your data or your question. You can paste the dataset directly into the search bar if it's short enough, or clearly describe what the data contains and how it's structured. A simple, effective prompt might be: analyze the sales data and identify trends, patterns, and key insights. Be specific about what you want. Tell Perplexity exactly the kind of analysis you need. Ask it to summarize key trends, create a comparison table, or flag anomalies and outliers. Clear instructions reduce ambiguity and save time. By the way, if you're new to Perplexity, there's a link to the website at the top of the description, and if you prefer using an app, you'll also find a download link there. When the response appears, review it carefully. Look for the main trends, recurring patterns, useful comparisons, and the key findings that answer your original question. Check whether the conclusions align with your understanding of the data and whether any assumptions are stated. If sources or supporting data are provided, open them to validate the insights. Confirm that the evidence backs the claims, especially for data that affects decisions. Refine your analysis with follow-up questions. Ask Perplexity to break results down by category, visualize the output as a table, or explain possible reasons behind a trend. If you need structured results, request a clear table with labeled categories and values to make copying and sharing easy. Finally, copy the analysis, tables, or summaries and paste them into your document, spreadsheet, or report. Repeat and refine your prompts until you have complete, accurate insights that meet your goals. Thanks for watching.